All right, let's unbox the package. All right, and here it is. So these are seat covers for my Z06, and at first you're like, oh, seat covers, that's not cool. No, trust me, these are really, really cool seat covers. And believe it or not, I actually did some research on these seat covers before making this video. So the reason these seat covers are better than any other seat covers out there, besides that the quality's really, really good. So you got this really nice leather, you got the padding right here so you're comfortable, you got the white stitching, and you could just tell this is top quality stitching. Like, there are no flaws whatsoever. Besides all of that, there's one thing that separates these seat covers from other seat covers, and it's the fact that these are customized especially for your car. So they're not one size fit all. These covers were made only to fit my vehicle and my vehicle only. So the weather is finally getting warmer, which means you guys should be expecting some racing content very, very soon. And I'm mainly really excited to race the Corvette. So comment down all the cars you guys would like to see me race with the Corvette. So believe it or not, I have no idea how to install these seat covers. I probably should have watched the how-to video. So now let me show you guys what my seats look like right now. So they're just regular C7 seats, all black, white stitching. The stitching isn't even as cool as the ones on here. So before is this, and I'm gonna attempt to install these. So I'm gonna take the top off just so we could get to the seats a little better. Oh, almost fell. All right, let's try to put it back. Okay, this is, okay, let me put the camera down. Alright, okay, we're good. So we don't even have to take the entire top off. We just scoot it out the way so you could get to the seats, and then you just want to scoot the seat up a little bit. And it doesn't help the fact that I have a whole cage in here, but we'll still work with what we got. So the seat cover pretty much goes over your other original seat like this. So I'm gonna try to do this and then I'll pick up the camera, but as you guys could see, that's kind of how it works. Again, it doesn't look good right now, but I'm gonna figure that out.
8 hours later.
I finally managed to get this side done, and oh my god, it looks so freaking good, and the fitment is just perfect. It almost looks like it came like this from factory, and I bet it feels a lot more comfortable sitting on this than the other side, which means let's have a little test to see if it does feel better. So you definitely notice a lot more cushion in this than the factory seat. Obviously the factory seat has a bit of a cushion, and then you add this so you get extra cushion, and it feels really comfortable. Like, I could definitely notice a difference. And now both seats are done and they look so good. I'm actually super impressed with the quality and the fitment of these seats. You would not think these are seat covers whatsoever. Big shout out to Kustom Interior for sending these out to me. At first I was super hesitant to install cover seats on my car. I was thinking of the AutoZone cover seats, and I was like, no way, I'm not installing ugly seat covers on my car. But these are next level seat covers, and you could also get these in different colors. You could get it in red instead of black, and you could also choose different stitching. So big shout out to Kustom Interior once again. I'm gonna leave their link in the description below. You should probably go and check them out.